So this is our Harlow mini greenhouse. This is the 5-foot long version and it's designed to be able to go under a window. It's not too high at the back and give you still plenty of growing space inside. You've got very easy access. The sliding doors will open both on the front and also on the top. So you've got good easy access, but you've also got excellent ventilation in the summertime. We still use glass in the greenhouse. It's toughened safety glass, but the glass lets the light in better than plastic and it also traps the heat. So early on in the year, you'll get a much warmer frame than a plastic glazed frame. And if you want to, you can also have an automatic vent that will open and close on its own depending on the weather conditions. So if you go out for the day, you can not have to worry about the frame overheating. It will open and cool it down. When you look inside, then you've got seed tray shelves. You've got 2 narrow ones and you've got 2 deeper ones. There's a whole series of holes there, so you can adjust the height of the shelving, and if you don't want to use the shelves, then you can just put them flat out of the way in the summertime. Inside we've also got a little watering system, so you can see there's a nozzle there for your watering system, and at the end there's the nozzle, the connection for a tap. So you turn your hose on for 2 or 3 minutes and the watering is all done for you. So it's very versatile with your shelving and with your watering system, and with the architectural aluminium and the toughened safety glass, it's also a very durable mini greenhouse.